Hi all, this is Ranjit and today we'll discuss about additive pipe. There is actually a beautiful option because in the earlier commercial softwares like Creo or SolidWorks this option was not there, but later they added these options because sometimes we require to add material between different types of sections and it must follow through a path. So I'll show you how easily it can done with the help of FreeCAD. So I'm going to create a new sketch, then I'm going to create a new sketch. So click on the sketch, then I'm going to select the XZ plane, then I'll create a rectangle, close, then I'm going to create another rectangle, but it must be away from this plane. So I want to create a new plane to do that. So go for this plane option, then I can actually move in the Z direction. So I'm moving this in the Z direction, then press OK, and this is my datum plane. So select this datum plane, select the datum plane and go for another sketch, and this time I'm going to sketch a circle here. Yeah, this is my circle. So imagine there are multiple planes and multiple cross sections. I want to add material between these sections, and all these sections must be, or the movement must be, the addition of the material must follow a path. That's my aim. So I'm going to create another section by creating a new plane, create a datum plane. Then, sorry, I'm going to move this in the Z direction. You can create a plane at anywhere. For example, you can create a plane here or here, anywhere you can create. But this case, I'm just want a parallel planes. So this is my third plane. Just I'm going for another sketch, and this time I'm going to sketch another rectangle. Okay, finally I got three sketches. One is for the first one is the rectangle, that is sketch, and the sketch 001 is the circle, then sketch 002 is the another rectangle. So one more sketch I am going to do. So in order to do that I must select the YZ plane. So go for sketch, before that you must select the plane. So I'm going to select the YZ plane, then go for sketch. So this is my sketch. I'm going to create a spline because I want to follow this additive pipe in this manner. Okay, so this is my spline, and once I'm satisfied with the spline, so I closed. So this is these are my three sketches: the first one, second one, third one, and the path for this additive pipe. Next, click on this additive pipe. This is the option to create additive pipe. Then the object is the sketch one, and I'm going to add another object, that is my path. So this is my path. Automatically it must create, this is the object is sketch 3. So first time I need to select this one. Sorry, sketch is my starting one. So I created the additive pipe. Now if you closely observe, you can see the cross section is simply extruding through this through the path, which means it's a basic sweep. So I want to actually fit this into this cross section. That means every time wherever the cross section is there, that must be lofted to that cross section. So in order to do that, if you go to section transformation, you can see a transform mode is equal to constant. If you change this into multi sections, you can have the option to add different sections. So I'm going to add this section, then one more section. Yeah, so if you press OK, you can see the first section is a rectangle one, then it is lofted to the circle, then it is lofted to another rectangle. And in my next video I will show you how to actually adjust these cross sections. Okay, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'm going to release a lot of videos related to CAD modeling and engineering analysis, and also press the bell button because whenever I release a new video you will get instantly, and also press the like button because your likes and comments actually encourages me to do more videos. Thank you.